Yeah.
Stupid Hiccup.
Oh,
Damn it.
oh.
Tearing up, asshole. Anyway.
Oh.
Anyway.
Oh,
we gotta finish this.
We're back.
We're back.
We're finishing this. This is the last thing we do.
The kaleidoscope.
The kaleidoscope. We gotta put continue.
Yep.
Not the kaleidoscope.
Okay. No, yeah, we're continuing.
Yeah, I think we may start over if we put that.
If we did that, I'd kill myself.
And our little one Crimson isn't here to. Ah! Oh God!
Help me, boy. Help me.
Help me!
Help me, homie.
Help me!
Help me.
Oh!
Oh God, my hiccups. Oh my God.
I know it's gotta be hard. Chao got hiccups.
I got hiccups.
Oh God!
If Mama don't kill me, it'll be these hiccups.
It better not be.
Anyway.
Come on, Mama.
Mama!
Woo! Carry on, carry on.
That was.
I forgot. She fucking runs up the stairs like that.
She be rolling her bitch ass up the stairs. Oh.
Is that her?
That was her.
You fucking ass. Look, you're near it. You're near it. It's right.
Where? I'm lost.
And here she comes. Right.
There we go. I forgot that.
You fucko.
I forgot that you still have to like feed him.
No, he needs to be groomed.
Fuck.
You know what you did. Hold on. Let's see if we can try and lower the volume. That's still a little too loud. Or let's see. Wait. Let's see. Come on. Wait. Try and move the mouse. Try and move the mouse while I'm doing that. Try. Wait. Oh fucking A. Oh wait. Yes. Do it. Do it, Melody. You can do it.
Wait. There you go.
That's a little bit better. Okay. Yeah. That's fine. We just. God damn it! Stop! I'm patting your back. Stop.
You're not patting it hard enough.
I just like.
I think you're gonna have to eventually.
Oh my God, Mama. Yeah, but you know what you did.
I know what I did.
Like right when she said you'll never escape, you just shake, shake, shake. Like just immediately.
Let me just charge this bitch.
Charge me.
Electric.
Woogie.
Woogie.
It's electric.
No.
Yeah, I will love you, you fuck. Oh God.
You better not get the hiccups.
No, I had to burp.
I'm literally
Do
getting a headache.
you actually say hiccup when you do that?
Sometimes it'll come out in the back.
Okay, because like some people just be like, she's faking it. That's still a little too. Oh wait, duh, I'm stupid.
Duh.
You keep doing it.
I'm going.
You fuck.
Where's your brush?
I don't fucking know.
Where's your brush?
Remember, it's in the living room.
Yeah, look, it's on the couch, but where is the couch?
Oh.
Fuck. Fuck!
You gotta be kidding me.
There you are.
There it is.
There it is.
You fuck. You fuck.
Okay, I'm coming, baby.
Oh.
Fuck. You little...
Cause that little bastard needed his treat.
I want a treat and I want to be brushed! Yeah, because you're making all the noise.
Oh, that's a lot better. Wait, do you... No, you don't. You gotta shake.
Staring at you as I'm doing that.
Yeah. Oh God. She's just staring at me while she's shaking.
They shake it hard.
Shake it.
Shake. Oh, wrong one.
Feed that bit. I think every time you go up, just do all three.
Remember, I have to run too, so you're going to help me with the shift.
With the shift.
Because the right shift don't work.
Okay. Don't do the. What did I just fucking say?
It's because he screams when it's dark. Remember?
I know. I'm afraid. Do I shift?
I'll let you know when.
Because I'm afraid. Okay, but
No,
right.
shift. Shift. We're going upstairs. She can't follow us in the stairs. Okay.
Okay, right. Okay, now try and find the brush.
Brush.
Because he's about to fucking.
He's about to scream his little.
And she's just like running up just.
There she is.
No, I think that's just reflection.
Oh no, it was her eyes.
Are you sure? Okay, well, never mind. There's a brush. Quick! He's about to yell!
He's about to scream.
Uh,
Look at his face. He's like, oh!
ah! Get ready to feed him, too!
Run.
You
Shift
gotta.
real quick. Shift. Okay, good.
Quick, feed him! Feed him!
Give me a treat.
No, you fuck! Shut up! Shut up! Ah!
Perfect.
Just battery, just in case. Because or else he's gonna be like, oh!
He'll sound like he's mating. Okay. I'll let you know when.
Okay, sorry.
Go. Stairs.
No, I think she still can get you on the stairs. Remember, she's gotten you on the
good.
stairs. You fucking bitch.
Run!
Oh! No, I'm not even gonna try and just exit! Exit!
Go.
Oh, that bitch! That whore! Yes! Oh, we did it!
Wait.
Oh!
Oh.
Wow, that didn't take us that long. December 20th.
Episode Hiccup Disaster.
Episode Hiccup Disaster.
Hiccup Disaster, cause fuck. I can't even breathe. I'm in prison.
Crimson was born the 24th. This is the day after, right?
Yep. Yes.
Yes, I didn't announce her. I'm sorry. Her name is Crimson.
This is where my parents would be if I had some.
show the meme of Timmy's dad. Jimmy.
Boy.
Boy. If I had one. If I had a boy.
Are you gonna have a boy?
Have a boy.
Have a boy.
Oni, I love you.
Oni. No, it's me.
Oh my god, Oni was actually in the cringe compilation.
He was?
You hear what he said?
Yeah, he was like...
You fixed me. Aw.
Do you have a little emo hair going on? Or is that
No,
your
he
shadow?
doesn't.
That's your shadow.
That's a shadow.
I was like, baby.
He has like a little emo highlight.
I fixed it. Oh yeah, I gotta get your gift. Oh, darn. He's like, look at
Oh.
me like you bitch.
Technicolor flashlight. Oh, imagine. Okay, yeah, it's time for me to read. Wow. Impressive. You did a lot better than I did. Hopefully your memories didn't get too mixed up down there. Never hurts to check if anything has changed. Say hi to Tattletail for me. Until next time. Bye-bye! Imagine.
The mark fires. Okay.
Because like what Crimson says, like...
Who's there?
Me?
Me who? This is where you can tell if you fucked up or not.
I'm afraid. How do you know if we fucked up?
Watch.
We love you.
Oh. Fuck, hiccups.
Okay, I was like, I leaned back and covered my ears. I'm like, oh god, no.
Well, given this episode was beyond short, do you want to do something in the meantime?
Like, what is there?
Let's see.
That was actually really quick.
That was beyond short.
Christmas. Let's see what's in the options. Let's explore before we leave, because that was short.
That was really short.
Adjust the brightness. Mode 7. There isn't anything secret.
No, it was only the kaleidoscope, and that was it.
So what was that thing that you were gonna tell me? Why'd you exit?
Because
Why? Now it's just a screen of the background. You dope. Wait, what are you doing?
Oh, sorry.
What are you doing?
It's a bad habit of mine to just empty out the recycle bin.
Oh, okay. Screw it. Do it.
Scared?
This is like a little bit like of an aftermath.
You got scared?
You got scared. Just
Scared.
empty up the stuff.
Well, let's see. I got something we can play in the meantime.
Well, what are you gonna do?
You'll see, baby.
I'm afraid.
You baby.
Why are you talking to me like that?
Jesus Christ.
Don't.
No.
Ah. You know,
My
no one's even seeing what you're doing
My hiccups are not
because
getting worse.
the game was on the game capture, not the screen capture.
So it's just
So
like
you're looking at the recording right now. It's just the background. I'd probably put like up a picture or something of us just saying like, "Oh, what do you do?" That doesn't work that way.
Oh god.
It does not work that way in the slightest. What are you doing?
You know, I'm playing solitaire.
Oh, okay.
Never mind, it won't let me play
What is
solitaire.
this?
What?
It just went to a freaking... No, exit. Exit.
I don't want to pay money for cards.
And now we're just back on my channel. What the fuck?
Okay.
Okay, this is a weird... Well, let's just talk real quick. Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, let's just talk real quick
Wait.
about the...
Capture me!
No, stop! God damn it.
Does it record that if I shake it?
Yes, it will.
Record me, bitch.
Oh, you're now seeing like what happens after. I need to put more backgrounds instead of just that picture.
You should
But
put a picture of...
I should have put a Tattletail one, but the next time.
Next time. No, I like this. It's because
Okay, well,
we usually play the games till the end. This was beyond short.
Yeah, but I could find something though, like for the next one.
No,
And
okay.
that's what we could be talking about, like before we end this episode, because we're already past the 10-minute mark. It's okay, but
Yeah.
what do you think of the story about the kaleidoscope thing?
The kaleidoscope, well... I think it's pretty self-explanatory, in all honesty. I need to choke on the ice. I guess it's really weird how they made an idea that like you apparently forget what happens with McFrickin' the mom and everything.
You said McFrickin'?
McFrickin'. Yeah, you know who I'm talking about. McFrickin' mama.
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 Yeah, I just see it as like a coming of age thing where it's just like you see things more boringly, like with your toys.
True, but you saw how he fought, or you fought for getting Tattletail back to normal, you know?
Your friend.
Your friend.
Yeah, but when he gets like 12, he's gonna fucking abandon that thing.
You know what? I hate the way you have your solitaire. I need to fix it.
It's freaking... I don't...
No, thank you.
But I guess like another thing to announce, like when I said like I'm gonna put another picture up for the background, but the next game we're gonna be playing
Yes.
as a little to be continued thing, it's gonna be Bendy and the Ink Machine. I already have it ready on my desktop, so
Yep, we just need to set that bad boy up.
yeah. So get ready for that in a couple days, my dude. So yeah. Okay, let's just say bye and you get off of solitaire.
I love solitaire.
Let's get off.
No.
Come on.
Okay, bye.
No, we need it.
No.
I need the mouse.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
I need to pass this fucking level.
No, they're not even seeing you play solitaire.
Yeah, they are.
It's gonna fuck up the recording if I do that.
Man, so close.
Oh man. Okay. Well, bye, people. It was a fun journey.
Very short.
It was short, yes. During this session, yes, but we'll be back with other horror games and other games with us and me and my other friends and stuff like that. Yeah.
Never mind, I was about to say my hiccups is dying, but then it happened.
Oh god. Pray for Chao's hiccups. Hashtag hiccup. I don't know.
Hashtag pray for Chao's hiccup.
Yes.
Please do.
Do make that a hashtag.
If I die of a heart attack.
So she won't die of a heart attack.
Give
Okay.
me with my sonic stick.
Yes. Okay, well, bye. Grandpa. Granddad. Granddad. Hey,
Heads up, I
you want to get
Heads up, I farted, so.
Oh God! Well, my nose is kind of fucked up right now, so I need to blow my nose. Shit. There we go.